Neil S. Chaikin joined the Air Force as a teenager in 1954. In the military electronics department where he taught electronics, he learned the importance of accuracy and dependability. After he was honorably discharged from the Air Force, Neil earned his degree in electrical engineering from Tulane University in 1964. In his career, he applied his knowledge of electronics and electrical engineering for projects for NASA's Apollo program, IBM's Trident submarine program, and the Department of Energy. In his position just prior to NSCA, Neil was responsible for reviewing all test equipment export licenses for the Department of Commerce. At the Department of Commerce, Neil worked as a co-writer with the National Voluntary Laboratory Accreditation Program, NAVLAP, a National Institute of Standards and Technology NIST program, which provides an unbiased third-party test and evaluation program to accredit laboratories to the ISO 17025 standard. After a successful career in the military and federal government, Neil decided to start NSCA in order to aid other businesses by providing test and measurement equipment consulting services. In 1988, Neil S. Chaikin founded Neil S. Chaikin & Associates to provide consulting services on exporting test and measurement equipment. In 1998, when the company changed to selling and renting test and measurement equipment, the company name was changed to NSCA. In 1993, Todd Chaikin joined the company as the general manager. Todd earned his MBA in Information Systems and Telecommunications from the Johns Hopkins University in 1996. For 30 years, NSCA Technologies and TRACAL Lab have been serving the aerospace and defense, RF microwave, transportation, telecommunication, manufacturing, and education industries, consistently achieving the highest level of customer satisfaction by providing quality test and measurement equipment and services. NSCA Technologies and TRACAL Lab are service-disabled, veteran-owned small businesses. We sell, rent, lease, calibrate, and repair test and measurement equipment. We are proud small business partners of Keysight Technologies, broadening our reach across the world. This means that we are able to provide comprehensive equipment services that are evaluated and calibrated to full manufacturer specifications. Our services include dimensional, electrical, optical, RF microwave, and temperature calibration and repair services. TRACAL exclusively employs highly trained, detail-oriented, and experienced technicians to ensure that all equipment is calibrated to the highest degree of accuracy and reliability. TRACAL also provides detailed calibration documentation traceable to NIST standards. It is an ISO IEC 17025 ANSI Z540-1 and ANSI Z540.3 accredited lab.
Here at NSCA and TRACAL, we focus on accuracy, integrity, and safety by performing regular internal quality checks that comply with the most rigorous industry quality standards. We strive to understand our customers' requirements because we understand that inaccurate or incorrectly calibrated equipment can cause unnecessary risks. This is why we vow to provide our customers with the highest level of accuracy at the best competitive price. In the next 30 years, we promise to continue serving you, our customer, with excellent customer service, providing timely deliveries with a focus on safety and high standards. We thank all of our customers, partners, and vendors for their support and hope to continue to grow as a company.